We only meant to strip the wallpaper in our loft, but we ended up revealing this brickwork beast. It was a day, let me tell you. We're just starting to renovate this loft space to turn it into a bedroom with ensuite. Step one was getting everything out and stored somewhere else, and that somewhere else is our spare room, which is now a whole obstacle course. The cats are like, what in the Takeshi's castle is going on in here? Then to save the original fireplace, we had to remove the crumbling surround, which wasn't hard, and take out the iron insert, but the Victorians had left us a little surprise, a big pile of bricks. We did find 2 dead birds in here on the day we moved in, so this is sort of an improvement, I guess. The dust and mess took ages to clear out. Note to self, wear a mask. But this was just the start of the horrors to come. Because I turned my back for 1 second and Neil's like, hold on, this isn't brick. And before you know it, we've uncovered these lath and plaster triangles the Victorians had sort of filled these gaps with. Weird flex, but sure. And by this point, we're like, well, there's no going back now. We're going to have to take all the plaster off. So, of course, we do. The 2 brick stacks either side of the central fireplace are the flues from the fireplaces in our bedrooms below. And I quite like it all open and exposed. Maybe a feature to keep, let's see. But finally, we can move on to what we intended on doing today, stripping the wallpaper. So go to the next part to see what else we uncover. Over and out, I guess.